Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is from Munchpak, and they reached out to me, I want to say almost 2 weeks ago, and asked me if I wanted to unbox one of their snack boxes for you guys, and I gladly accepted. So I'm super excited because if you guys aren't familiar with them, they're actually a snack subscription service similar to like Snack Fever and other snack subscription boxes. And so what's cool is that you can actually customize it too, and they have different sizes available as well. So I'll leave all their information down below in the description box, and let's just get started. I haven't opened this yet, but I can kind of hear that there's like some liquid in there. So here is the inside, and I always drop something. So there's just a little greeting card, and it actually has my name on there, which is really cool. And then on the back it has my YouTube info and a cool coupon code for you guys, so I'll leave the link down below as well. So here's all the goodies. We got quite a few of them, so let's jump right into it. So I'm just gonna grab and go. Let's start with this one. This one is from the Philippines, and it's pretty cool because it has like the sticker in the front, and it tells you what country it's from. And it is the Boy Bawang chili cheese flavor corn chips. Ooh, smells like chili cheese. Here's inside a bag. In America, we have similar ones as well. I forget what they're called. They start with corn something, I don't know. But they taste just like them, the ones that we have here. They just have more of a light taste to it. Moving on, let's do this one. This one is from here. Oh, I didn't even realize that this was Cardi B. It actually says right here, Cardi B jerk BBQ chips. And this is the Wrap Snacks Wavy Cardi B jerk barbecue. And there's Cardi B. Hey. Oh, so they're like the little ruffle chips. And I think my favorite kind of like Lay's chips or ruffle chips are the barbecue ones. That's really good. Let's try these. This is from Japan. This is the Canro Pure Mixed Berry Gummies. Ooh. And this is strawberry and blueberry. Ooh, whoa. God. It's like as soon as you open it, like it's like in your face. So there's the gummy. It kind of matches like my outfit and my hair. It's actually really good. I'm actually going to the movies after this, so I actually might sneak this in if there's any left over. It's really good, and it has like a hint of sourness in it. Oh, excuse my mom in the background. She's really loud when she's on the phone. And excuse all the screaming in the background. There's people playing video games outside my room. Let's do this one next. This is from Indonesia, and this is the Momochi corn stick in corn flavor. Oh, it kind of looks like a little wafer, but it's really light. Let's go for it. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. Actually, it's not that bad. The first bite was kind of confusing. because I really wasn't sure what to expect. But the second bite was a lot better, and then the last bite was a lot better too. Next we have the snack from Poland, and this is their Fajny Biscuits Fine Bakeries Crunchy Wafer, and it has hazelnut, chocolate, and it looks like nougat. Oh no, hazel cream. Oof. Excuse me. So it looks like you can actually, like, it's separated, so you can actually, like, break it off. Oh, okay. Oh, there's little wafers. Alright, let's go for it. Whoa! That's really good. That hazelnut cream on the inside. Oh, that's so good. So inside, that's hazelnut cream right there. Oh, that's so good. Oh, let's do this one. This one is from Japan. This is the Latte Koalas March Caramel Flavor Cookie. So here's how the little biscuit cookies look like. And then on the inside, there's filling inside. Where's the filling? There was no filling inside this one. It's empty. Oh. I think it's dried onto the cookie, and that's why it's not visible. Oh my gosh. This candy just brings back so many memories. Whenever I see this candy, it just brings back so many memories as a kid, because I used to eat these all the time. I don't know why, it was just plain sugar. But these are the double dip sticks. So it comes with a little candy stick, and then like typically 2 flavors or 1 flavor of, like, I don't know, like flavored powder, I guess. And so what you're supposed to do is take the stick and like dip it and then just eat it. So here's the stick, and my stick broke. What the heck? Okay, my stick broke, but that's okay. And then you have the 2 flavors on the inside, and you just dip. First, I have to lick the stick first. Ooh. Oh wow. Definitely nostalgic. Ooh. It's kind of sour. I haven't had these in ages. Oh my gosh. Pure sugar. Oh yeah, that's enough of that. Moving on, we have from Turkey. This is the Ulker Bonbon Cola heart flavor. No, heart candy. So here's the candy. Here we go. Let's try it. Tastes like cola. The flavor really grows on you. Great. Okay, so next up we have, what is this? This is from the United Kingdom. This is the Brain Blasterz Apple and Strawberry Sour Candy. And I feel like this is like a UK version of Nerds. How am I supposed to open this? Ooh, ooh. Yes, ma'am. It is just like Nerds. Honestly, I was also never really a big fan of Nerds, just because they're so sour. And they're very, very, very bad for your teeth. Oh. Oh. But not bad. It's just very sour. Okay. So we got 2 things left, and this next one is from Romania. This is the Milka Oreo sandwich bar, and it has real Oreo cookies surrounded by chocolate. Whoa. Okay, how am I supposed to open this? Oh, look. Holy smokes. It really does have Oreos in it. I could see why a lot of people would really like this. So much chocolate. So if you're a college student that needs energy at the end of the night, this is your guy. I can't eat too much of that because, ooh. Alright, we're down to the last snack, and I saved this one for last on purpose. This is Lychee craft soda from Sprecher. I've never had lychee soda before, so this is gonna be really interesting. It looks like a bottle of liquor, but let's crack this baby open. Do I need, is this a twist off? Please tell me this is a twist off. I'm back with my bottle opener. Do you guys like my bottle opener? My brother got it for me for my birthday, and it's just the cutest little thing. So if you guys watch Sailor Moon, you guys would know what this is. I hope I don't, oh my god, it's starting to foam up. Okay, ooh. Well, I guess there's really nothing left to do but bottoms up. Wow, that is not bad. That's actually really good. Wow. It's so addicting. I could do a commercial of this. You know those Coca-Cola commercials? Alright, so those are all the snacks I have for you guys. I had a great time unboxing and trying out everything for you guys. I really loved everything, honestly. This one is my favorite, so I'm going to be eating this one after I'm done. But a special thank you to Munchpak for sending me their Munchpak box to unbox and try for you guys. I really had a good time, and I will leave all their information down in the description box along with a coupon code for you guys. But that's it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!